Congoleum is a leading manufacturer of vinyl flooring in the Northeast United States. We've been in operation for over 100 years. We manufacture sheet and plank flooring. I believe what makes the Congoleum product unique is our exceptional design, our new updated manufacturing processes, and our vision on providing the consumers the best possible product for their homes. Congoleum had two aged information systems, and we found ourselves not being able to adapt quickly to the new business challenges with those legacy systems. Management had done an analysis on ERP packages and decided that SAP Business by Design would be the proper one for Congoleum. So we were able to reduce our hardware footprint, move to the cloud, provide higher availability, recoverability, and response time by going to SAP by Design in the cloud. Moving to Lisa and a real-time warehouse system has allowed us to have much better visibility into the current levels of our inventory, follow the inventory through the manufacturing process down to the customer, and get a much better snapshot of where our inventory is, where it's moving, and what needs to move. Having one information system allows all of our facilities to operate under one umbrella, speak the same language, and use the same business processes to accomplish our goals. We purchased the Enware Lisa product from the folks at Enware for our warehouse management system, and that has allowed us to eliminate much paperwork and do mobile computing at each of the facilities. Having one ERP system now allows management to produce reports and get real-time information on our inventory, our financial position, and our inventory movement. And that allows us to make quicker manufacturing decisions. We're able to expand much quicker and provide quicker response for our customers. The system now says where to go, where to get it, so that we're getting the best turnover of our inventory first in, first out. Now with the standardized ERP package such as SAP Business by Design, as well as Lisa for our warehouse management system, has allowed us to attract new talent with new ideas and innovate in our operations and our processes accordingly. That's been a great benefit to Congoleum.